Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TMP Group. My name is Tom. Thanks for joining us. Today is Wednesday. It's February 2nd, 2022. And sure appreciate you stopping in today. Do want to remind you that this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial planner, but I will try to give you my opinion on certain stock and certain cryptocurrency. So if you like what you hear today, go ahead and hit the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscribe button to hear more from us. And feel free to share with your friends and your family. All right, so today real quick, I just want to talk about three stocks in particular in the Fintech financial technology sector that we have identified as good buys, three stocks that we will continue to dollar cost average into. Two out of the three are main holdings and core holdings in TMP's growth funds. And then the third one I think we're going to add. And we're going to go for all three of these, and we're going to dollar cost average throughout the rest of the year in our growth portfolios. And hopefully we share some information with you that will point you in the right direction. You can do your homework, your own due diligence, and figure out if it's a fit for you. But I want to go over these three companies because I do believe that all three companies have high value, but the stocks are underpriced. They've been getting beat up. And then the question becomes, are we catching a falling knife at these levels, or is it time to for these things to rebound and to rise back up? I personally believe the latter. I know that it's hard to time the market. I prefer time in the market. So let's jump right into it. The three fintech stocks that I'm going to talk about today. Number one is Block, trading under the ticker symbol SQ. The second one is PayPal, PYPL. And then the third, of course, is Sofi, SOFI. So let's take a look at the first company, Block. Ticker symbol SQ. Block currently has four major segments, I would say, in the market, or I'm sorry, within itself. That being Square, the payment device, Cash App, which is a peer-to-peer payment system, and Tidal and Spiral. So take a look at Square, see what it does. But more importantly, let's look at the stock price right now. Today is the 2nd of February 2022, and it's about 12:15 here in Arizona. And currently Square is trading at $14.80. Now, that is off its 52-week high of $289, so more than cut in half off its 52-week high. And just 3 months ago, 90 days ago, Square was trading at $252. So again, half. It's down 54% in the past 90 days. We're picking up Square here. The last time it was at these levels were in July 2020. So Square is definitely a stock and a company that we want to invest in the future, in the long term, because of its capacity and capability of small businesses being able to process payment. We like Square. We like the innovation. We like where it's going in the future. And be careful, earnings come out on Thursday the 24th after hours. But Square at 114.80. As far as the TMP group goes and myself, I will be opening a new position because it's a position that I do not have. I'll be opening a new position today on the 2nd of February in Square, and I will continue to dollar cost average into Square. All right, the next one is kind of a sister company to Square. They do tend to trade together, and that's PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. And PayPal is an interesting company. Venmo is probably what PayPal is second best known for. Obviously, PayPal is a platform unto its own, and it has a cryptocurrency aspect where you can buy, hold, trade, sell cryptocurrency. PayPal currently at 12:15 p.m. Arizona time is trading at $130.35. That is off of its 52-week high of $310 and off of its 90-day high of $229. So it was 3 months ago, it was trading at $229. That's down 44% in the past 90 days. And the last time we saw these levels was May 2020. So buying PayPal today, and PayPal is a core holding in TMP's growth portfolio, but buying more PayPal today is like picking it up back in May 2020. And the reason one of the reasons PayPal is down as much as it is, and I believe it's also why Square has been brought down, was earnings came out a couple days ago, and the estimated earnings were $1.12 per share, and it missed earnings by a penny. It came in at $1.11 a share. Multiply that by the amount of shares that it has, and that translates into a big loss. The actual was $1.11, and PayPal also failed to give positive guidance moving into 2022 through 2023. Doesn't mean that the company is a bad company, but the stock is beat up, and we see a massive upside for PayPal. So PayPal, we will continue to DCA in our growth portfolios. Third and final company I want to talk about is Sofi, trades under ticker symbol SOFI. And Sofi is that fintech company that just completed and got approved, conditionally approved for its banking charter. And it's just a matter of process before Sofi is a full-fledged bank. It will be the first of its kind. Sofi is a money management company, personal money management company. It specializes in student loan refinancing and restructuring, specializes in mortgages, specializes in debt consolidation, and personal loans. So with interest rates rising, we see Sofi as a beneficiary of that. And also when people need to borrow money, generationally, traditionally things have changed, and more people are going to the fintech sector to borrow money. Sofi is making it readily available, and of course there are conditions. Again, this is all my opinion only, not financial advice, but we will be dollar cost averaging into Sofi, even with a little bit more exuberance than prior, because Sofi is down 44% in the past 90 days. It's currently, it is down 45% in the past 90 days. It's currently trading at $12.34. It's 12:18 now here in Arizona, 12:18 in the afternoon. It's off of its 52-week high, which was $26. And 3 months ago, it was trading at $22.97. So like I said, down 45% in the past 3 months. The last time we saw these levels was September of 2021. Now, beware that Sofi does have earnings coming out on Tuesday, March 1st. So we know that if you're trading this stock, be careful of trading it. We are buying and holding Sofi. We see Sofi, PayPal, and Square as long-term holdings in our portfolios, and we believe there's significant upside. Let's take a look at what TipRanks has to say about each one of these companies. Again, Square is trading right now at around $115. TipRanks has a 12-month price target. The analysts from Wall Street on TipRanks have a 12-month price target of $235. So from $115 to $235, that's massive movement in the next 12 months. If we look at PayPal, PayPal's trading at about $131. TipRanks has a 12-month projection or a 12-month price target at $205. So that's up about $75. Huge runway for PayPal. And then Sofi. Sofi currently trading at $12.30. It is 12:20 p.m. now here in Arizona. And TipRanks projects the movement from $12.30 up to $20.30. So that's an $8 move in a $12 stock in the next 12 months. Now, are the analysts at TipRanks correct? Not always. Are they wrong? Not always, but it is a good indication. If the Wall Street analysts think that this has room to run, then there is big money behind it. So, as far as it goes with the TMP group and myself personally, those three fintech plays, SQ, PYPL, and SOFI, are Two of them, Sofi and PayPal, are add-on plays, and then Square is a new play that we just picked up today at $114.80. So we'll revisit this in about a month from now, 2 months. We'll see where we're at. End of the year, we'll see where we're at. If we can hit half of the estimated projections from TipRanks, we'll be doing okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. I would invite you to share this video with friends and family. We do believe that it is important to share the wealth, and that's why I come on here twice a day, sometimes 3, Monday through Friday, and every once in a while I'll pop in on the weekends. I do hope that your portfolios are up and to the right and that you're making prudent decisions. Become convicted in stocks that you know and that you understand. Don't fall for the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt. There's a lot of volatility in the market. None of these stocks do I see going up in a straight line, but over the course of 3 to 5 years, I think we've got 3 winners here in the financial technology sector. I always like to say the best bet in life you can make is a bet on yourself. That's the only one that we can control or have control over. So let's get out there. Let's continue to make money. And I do hope to see you on the next video.